Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, I snowplowed here last night by the bin yard, and then it ended up snowing 3 more inches overnight. And the weather said nothing. Well, it said 1 to 3 centimeters, but we seem to be getting snow at night, and a lot of it. So, but the bobcat chains are working good on the skid steer, and all that good traction. So, I like this little, people were asking me about this Bobcat blade. I picked this up at auction, I think, for like 1,200 bucks. And it's a hydraulic blade, hydraulic angle. So it's got the 2 hydraulic cylinders there. And it works pretty good. It's got the feet here, so you don't dig in. But I can make it dig in if I want. I just lift the loader and then you can angle the blade down and you can dig if you want. But yeah, it works pretty good. The snow is kind of soft today. It warmed up a lot. It's 0. So, and it just got sunny here now. But I'm waiting for Lori to get the hitch for this generator that we have. And this generator worked for a while, and then it quit working. And the problem here, this generator runs our aeration fans, and it has a John Deere engine in it. The problem we're having here is when you turn the switch on, nothing is happening. Oh yeah, there it goes. And that's all that happens. What do we got for volts? 11.5, so you're gonna need to put a charger on it. And we can't figure it out. We checked all the fuses, and everyone seems to be good. Basically what's happening is this: the computer's not sending power to the starter to start. So we're gonna pull it into a shop there and let it warm up, and we're gonna try and see if we can short the starter out and start it direct. Oh, it's got a block here. I didn't even know that. You need a generator to plug in the block heater. Anyway, yeah. So I was just wondering if anybody has any experience with these ones. It's a G70. It's a Wacker. So yeah, I'll just make a little quick video here to see if anybody had any experience with these generators, because I actually was told it could be that computer board, and those are expensive. But I can't see why we can't just bypass that and fire it up just with another wire. So anyway, I guess I will plow a little bit more, get a little bit more snow. The tractor's still running too. I gotta go shut that off. So I moved this tractor yesterday, and I shouldn't have moved it at all, because it would have started easier today. Should have waited. It was about -10 yesterday. We put some winter fuel in this. It still had summer fuel, so this should be closed. No, that's okay. It's down. So make sure that key's off, and it's off. There. So we're ready to come in and get some wheat now. Snow's falling off. So I gotta go clean snow by at the home farm there. Get the snow away from the bins there, because we got some wheat in there too. So that's next on my list. But yeah, if anybody has any opinions or any fixes for that generator, just leave your comments down below. And yeah, maybe we can get that sucker running again. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. So, a little update on that video I made here. We plugged her into the charger here because the battery was a little bit down. And I still got it plugged in. What we had done here is we tried just jumping the starter from that wire to the main wire. And it cranks over, but it won't start. So something is not letting the fuel pump fuel to it to start. So the fuel pump shutoff is not opening it up. So come on this side, and we have an engine control module here. Now that might be the culprit. I don't know. I know there's a few fuses here, but we checked them and they were pretty good. Like, there was fuses in this wiring here somewhere, and we pulled those out, and I don't know if there's any more other fuses. I'd have to look at the diagram again, but we checked that, so I don't know. Could be that guy there, or it could be the front end there. So it could be this guy too, causing problems. I'm not sure. I hate that. I wish there was just a key. Fire it up and start. But that's the way it is. So that's just a little update on that. So again, if anybody has any opinions or they know exactly what's wrong, let me know in the comments. And I'll talk to you all later. Thanks.